It's nice to meet people who are eager to learn more about, our school, with the hopes of making that right connection between student being accepted to Maryknoll School.
I've been here since kindergarten, and I've felt the love and compassion that all the teachers and administrators have shown the students, because it's a smaller school. The community here, we're really tight.
I am an alumni. My husband is an alumni. My mom, her siblings, my sister, and a couple of cousins were all Maryknoll alumni. Right, Maryknoll, the academics is top-notch. The athletics program is very competitive. It's just an overall great school and a great community.
That's what makes this year special, is because we're showing people we have a lot of opportunities here, and we have the community here that is willing to support students to prepare them for the 21st century. The HPU Maryknoll program has allowed me to get my associate's and high school diploma at the same time, while also getting the college experience.
So our son Dason is a very energetic and inquisitive young person, and it was very important for my husband and I to challenge him. And I think any second language is crucial for brain development, but also for a life skill that he can carry throughout.
If you weren't able to make it today, it's not too late. Go to our website, maryknollschool.org. That's the best place to really get to know us. Take a look at all the information online about our programs, about deadlines. More importantly, reach out to us via email. Link up with our social media as a means to kind of keep in touch, to get all the deadlines and information you need to get on the path to building your child's future here at Maryknoll. So we're excited about that.